Hi, we're going to go over some digraphs today. That's when two consonants sit next to each other to create a new sound. So we have a bunch of them. Let's go through them quickly, one by one. Let's start with the CH, which makes a ch sound, like in the word chicken. It can also come at the end of words, like the word bench. All right, let's move on to the WH. WH saying together actually just makes the W sound. So the H is basically like silent. That is in words like whistle. PH together makes the F sound, so like the F sound, like in the word phone. PH can also come at the end of some words, like the word graph. Next, we have NG. NG together makes an ng sound, like in the word ring. So there you have it. 4 digraphs: CH, ch, WH, w, PH, f, NG, ng. All right, good luck with your packet today. I can't wait to see your recordings.